So these are the parts that I'm going to be putting the trim along the front, as well as the sides of the vehicle. You can see right now how it looks, and that'll be the before and after. I'm not sure if we're going to do the back end. So this is the finished product, 1.5 inch. This is a 1.5 inch lip that's along the front as well as the sides. I decided not to do the back, and all in all it took us about 20 minutes to do. There's no hardware that I put on here, and I made only about 2 relief points. If you want, you can go on other videos and they'll show you about relief points. There's really no aggressive angles on here to worry about as far as making too many relief points. This is the side of the vehicle, and I like the 1.5. This is the original size, and it just kind of gives a little lower stance to the vehicle, but it's not too outrageous. And again, the back I decided not to do. So anyway, that's it, and good luck on your product.